All right, Leonid, explain it to me. What is security automation?
The capability to be proactive instead of being reactive, have a planned course of action, and execute it with or without human involvement.
All right, you are a weather forecaster.
Well, rainy days are on the horizon. A lot of vulnerabilities are coming your way. Umbrellas, raincoats, and other tools are needed.
What is the worst explanation of security automation?
You don't need people anymore. Every problem you have will just fix itself.
Do you think a lot of people, though, believe security automation really is that?
Unfortunately, some people do. And of course, just like any other fairy tale, it doesn't happen in reality.
You're telling one of your kids a bedtime story.
Once upon a time, there was a person whose profession was a cybersecurity professional. That person was sad every day. Why? Because something bad would happen almost on a daily basis until security automation came and saved the day. And they lived very happily automating things ever after.
You're creating a recipe of creating a security automation pie. What are the ingredients?
First of all, take a tablespoon of realistic expectations, a quart of experience in actual security operations. You have to sprinkle it with organizational culture that truly wants to become efficient at what they're doing. That seasoning is changing everything.
This Friday, Leonid and I, that is Friday the 11th, 2022, for the CISO series video chat, will be hacking the promises of automation, an hour of critical thinking of what manual repetitive tasks we can automate and what we can't. Joining me is a gentleman you just heard, Leonid Belkind, the CTO of Torq, and also joining us will be Brian Lozada, who's the CISO over at HBOMax. Our sponsor is Torq. That's Leonid's company, the no-code security automation company. Now, to join our video chat, well, you'll find the link to register wherever you see this video posted, or you could always head over to CISOseries.com, and right at the top, there's an option to register for that week's video chat. We hope to see you. It all starts at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern, and at the end of the hour, we have our awesome meetup where you get to have one-on-one time with many of the attendees, including Leonid. So go ahead, register, tell your friends about it. We're looking forward to seeing you there.